Are you curious about what you should be doing to the exterior of your home to enhance curb appeal and yield top dollar? Well, if you're a homeowner, you're going to want to tune into these 5 simple things. Hey everybody, I'm Janice with Jaycoy Realtors in the greater Kalamazoo area of Southwest Michigan, and I'm your local real estate advisor. It's springtime in West Michigan and nicer weather is on the horizon. As the spring season comes into bloom, it's also time to consider home maintenance and cleaning. Your home's curb appeal is the first chance to impress potential buyers. Whether buyers are wowed by a beautiful and well-maintained yard or are turned off by dirty exterior walls and overgrown lawns, these things can significantly impact your home sales price if you're thinking of selling. When buyers pull up to a house, they want to be able to picture themselves living in it and coming home to it. Dead grass and chipped paint can make it a little more difficult to visualize. Making sure your home is maintained and prepared before you put it on the market could help it sell faster and for top dollar. So here's a few tips to make sure your curb appeal is making the best impression. Number 1, clean the exterior. Many homeowners forget to spring clean the outside of their homes, so don't make that mistake. The outside of your home should be spotless. Clean your outer walls with soapy water and wash your windows inside and out. Washing your house can add thousands of dollars to the sales price. Number 2, check your roof and siding. Be sure to check your roof and siding for needed repairs because you're going to want to catch maintenance issues before major problems arise. If your roof is damaged, dirty, or missing shingles, it can have a negative impact on the value of your home. So if your neighbor's roofs are well maintained or have been recently replaced, it will make yours look especially ragged. Sometimes a good cleaning is all that you have to do to have your roof look like new, but do yourself a favor and call a professional who has the right tools and training who will be able to clean your roof without damaging it. Clearing debris from your roof will help prep your home for drainage from those heavy spring showers. Number 3, pressure wash surfaces. You'll want to blast that winter grime away. Pressure washing your home siding, driveway, sidewalks, and patio will give your home a nice facelift to start the spring season off right. Many local hardware stores have power washers available for rent, or you can find a local company to do it for you. Number 4, lawn maintenance. It's a good idea to get a head start on lawn maintenance as early as possible because a greener yard enhances curb appeal. For a well-fed lawn, consider weeding and seeding to strengthen the roots and get your lawn off to a great start. Raking to remove dead grass, mowing your lawn, and bagging the clippings is a sure way to make sure the seeds come into contact with the soil. And you're also going to want to prune those shrubs, trim any overgrown bushes, tend to flower beds, and surround those bushes and trees with some mulch because it gives it a richer looking feeling. And any work that you do now will reap benefits in your home selling price, usually 100% or more. Number 5, keep up with maintenance. Nothing looks worse from the curb and sets off subconscious alarms like missing bricks from the front steps or peeling paint. Not only can these deferred maintenance items damage your home, but they can decrease the value of your house by 10%. Some maintenance chores that will dramatically help the look of your house include repointing bricks that have lost their mortar, straightening shutters, refastening sagging gutters, and replacing cracked windows. By making a few simple changes to your home's exterior, you can increase your home's value and get it sold more quickly when the time is right. I would love to hear from you. What questions do you have? And what are you going to do to get your home ready for this great weather? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're watching this over on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and that bell because I have new videos that come out each and every week. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.